People who follow Jason Hartman's Creating Wealth show know how much he likes to see high leverage and strong cash flow in his investment opportunities. When combined with a strong business community, this creates a triumvirate of attractive virtues that can create tremendous values for investors. Beginning from the point of a low down payment with high leverage allows investors to make optimal use of their capital. By funding more deals instead of sinking larger amounts of cash into a single deal, it allows investors to diversify and increase their ROI. Combining this with strong cash production allows investors to avoid the high negative cash flow situations that are crippling many people today. Investing in areas with attractive cash flow allows you to dissipate the management costs and mortgage payments while the impacts of inflation make you wealthy. The final factor is a strong business community.
Platinum Properties Investor Network maintains a staff of highly trained investment counselors that are ready to help you capture these phenomenal investment opportunities. Working with an investment counselor from Platinum offers more than just access to excellent opportunities. It presents investors with a partner who personally invests themselves to help guide them through the process of building and managing an investment property portfolio.
In addition to the opportunities available within the Atlanta market, there are many other local real estate markets that have been identified by Platinum Properties Investor Network as attractive options for investors. Your investment counselor will be able to help you find the ideal opportunity for your specific situation and is available for strategic coaching. By merging exceptional investments with intelligent advice and a superior strategy, there is no limit to what you can accomplish.
Atlanta is the capital and most populous city in the state of Georgia, as well as the urban core of one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the United States. Considered a top business city and transportation hub, Atlanta is the world headquarters of the Coca-Cola Company, AT&T Mobility, and Delta Airlines. The surrounding area contains additional corporate headquarters, including Home Depot and UPS. Atlanta has the nation's third largest concentration of Fortune 500 companies, and more than 75% of the Fortune 1000 companies have a presence in the Atlanta metropolitan area.
With a comprehensive network of freeways that radiate out from the city, Atlantans rely on their cars as the dominant mode of transportation in the region. Atlanta is mostly encircled by Interstate 285, a beltway locally known as the Perimeter, which has come to mark the boundary between the interior of the region and its surrounding suburbs.
There are three key attributes that make Atlanta a tremendous opportunity for investors. These are favorable demographics, superior quality of life, and an attractive business climate. Any of these three factors can help an investment market, but the combination of all three create an unparalleled opportunity only available in Atlanta.
The median income for a household in the city was $51,482, and the median income for a family was $55,939. About 22.7% of the population and 21.3% of families lived below the poverty line. Atlanta is growing very quickly and has a very sizable affluent population that will only grow in relevance as more commerce concentrates in Atlanta. As an ideally placed business and transportation hub, Atlanta is ascending on a growth path, while many former industrial cities are experiencing significant economic contraction.
Atlanta is home to one of the largest concentrations of colleges and universities in the country. The city has more than 30 institutions of higher education, including the Georgia University of Technology, a predominant engineering and research university that has been ranked in the top 10 public universities since 1999 by U.S. News & World Report, and, of course, Georgia State University. Atlanta is also the home to 4 major league sports teams, plays host to the PGA Players Championship, and contains the world's largest aquarium in downtown Atlanta. One of the key attributes that attracts so many people to Atlanta is its superior quality of life. With a strong business environment, reasonable commute, extensive culture, and educational institutions, there is no shortage of opportunity for people of varying interests.
As the unofficial capital of the southeastern United States, the Atlanta business climate is a shining gem of opportunity. One of the greatest testaments to this statement is the fact that Atlanta is among the top 3 major cities in relocation and growth. Many people are choosing relocation to Atlanta because of its superior business environment. The importance of Atlanta's business climate cannot be understated, as there will be many companies redeploying resources out of high-tax states into more business-friendly environments over the coming years. Atlanta is standing directly in the middle of this progress trajectory, and investors who are positioned to ride this wave can realize tremendous gains.
Atlanta is projected to produce 1.8 million new jobs by 2025. Since 1990, more than 300 companies have relocated either their national or regional headquarters to Atlanta. In 9 of the past 11 years, Atlanta has appeared in Fortune's Top 10 Best Cities for Business, and in 2008, Atlanta placed 6th in Forbes' ranking of Best Places for Business and Careers.
Atlanta has a highly diverse base of employment. With 9 Fortune 500 companies with their headquarters in the city, there is no shortage of employment opportunity. This broad base creates much more economic stability for Atlanta than is experienced in many industrial cities that have become dependent on a small number of companies or industries. As the business hub of the southeastern United States, Atlanta can be counted on to continue on its growth trajectory for a considerable amount of time.
Atlanta is one of 8 U.S. cities classified as a Beta World City by a 2008 study at Loughborough University, and ranks 3rd in the number of Fortune 500 companies headquartered within city boundaries, behind New York City and Houston. Several major national and international companies are headquartered in Atlanta or its nearby suburbs, including 3 Fortune 100 companies.
The city of Atlanta possesses very attractive housing affordability and cost of living, being ranked the number 4 best major metropolitan area for both housing affordability and cost of living. The attractiveness of Atlanta as an affordable market makes it an ideal focal point for the next wave of economic growth, as young professionals flee from highly taxed and highly regulated markets.
As the number 4 most affordable housing market in the United States, Atlanta currently has an average home price of $115,000, which represents a 25% decline from market highs due to the large amount of foreclosures that resulted from the financial crisis. This presents a rare window of opportunity for investors to capture good cash flow, excellent return on investment, and location in one of the fastest-growing metropolitan areas in the country.
Atlanta offers the opportunity for a tremendous ROI 1-2 punch. The first step is short-term cash flow on a superior investment property. The second piece is long-term appreciation from an investment that is located in a rapidly growing metropolitan area. There are multiple micro markets in and around Atlanta that are very attractive at the current time. Are you ready to take advantage of them?
The rehabilitation that is going into these properties looks like it belongs on a reality show. Many houses are being transformed from older, average-looking residences to new and attractive homes for the burgeoning population of professionals in the Atlanta area. These opportunities are very near the once-in-a-lifetime status, since Atlanta is expected to grow significantly in the near future, and prices may rise to the point where investment in the area becomes much less lucrative than it is today. If you are interested in the investment opportunities available with the Atlanta market, contact your investment counselor for a one-on-one consultation. In addition to the investment properties, ask your counselor about our coaching programs, where they will work alongside you to develop a holistic strategy that merges attractive investments, solid financial planning, exceptional education, and a strong focus on personal values to help you achieve your goals now and into the future. We are ready to help you realize the success that you have dreamed of. Are you ready to take the next step?